November and December in middle school math. Whew, am I right? You've got students buzzing with holiday excitement, schedules getting interrupted by assemblies and concerts, and you're just trying to hold everything together. If you ever felt like your classroom gets harder to manage at this time of year, you're not alone, and it's totally normal. Today, I'm sharing practical classroom management tips that will help you keep structure and keep your students engaged, even as the holidays hit. If you're new around here, my name is Kathy Martin and I help 6th, 7th, 8th grade and Algebra 1 math students experience more aha moments in the math classroom, all while saving time and money with their lesson planning and resources. So first, let's just acknowledge the elephant in the room here. The energy in our classrooms is different this time of year. Students are distracted, they're tired and excited all at once. Fighting against it doesn't usually work, but channeling that energy can, okay? It's not just you, it is simply just the time of year. So tip number 1, let's double down on our routines. This is the time to lean into your routines, lean into the routines that you have already taught. You've worked so hard up until this point to create the classroom routine structure that you've had going, so keep it, okay? All the bell work, all the transition, all the exit tickets, keep them consistent. The more predictable class feels, the less room there is for chaos. I always tell my students, we have a regularly scheduled programming going on here. We're not throwing things out the window. We're not just watching movies all day long. It is regularly scheduled programming, okay? It might even be worth practicing those routines again, just like you did at the beginning of the year. Tip number 2, keep your lessons active and varied. Okay, students sitting and working quietly for 50 minutes straight, or even worse, if you have a block schedule and you're working 90 minutes straight, that's not happening. Can you imagine yourself being asked to work for 50 minutes straight, just sitting there quietly? Like, no, nobody wants to do that. So of course, students are going to be a little bit more fidgety. So instead, let's build in some movement and interaction. Think math games, think partner activities, whiteboard work, or even just taking a stretch break every 20 minutes in class. Let's be honest, you could use that too, right? When lessons are interactive, students are less likely to get restless and distracted. Let's build in some of those brain breaks. Tip number 3, shorten the segments. Attention spans shrink when students are distracted. So let's break your lessons into smaller chunks. 10, maybe 15 minutes of instruction, followed by practice or a quick activity. These natural kind of reset points keep your students engaged without you constantly having to redirect. Tip number 4, incorporate seasonal but structured activities. Leaning into the holidays can actually help as long as you keep it structured, right? So we can do things like holiday themed math puzzles, word problems that are tied into gift wrapping or holiday travel or sales, right? Like holiday Black Friday sales, fun warm-ups that review key skills. Students get that holiday vibe, but they keep the learning front and center. Sometimes they even like to play holiday music. My favorite Mariah Carey comes on just to kind of, like during our warm-up, just to kind of get the kids not riled up, but just feeling the vibe, right? And number 5, protect your boundaries. This is very important. You have to protect your own energy, especially at this time of year. Not every assignment needs to be graded. Not every lesson has to be Pinterest perfect. Choose high impact strategies and give yourself permission to simplify the rest of it. You do not need to take on and carry more than what is expected of you at this time of year. If you need more help, I've got you. Come join us inside the Prealgebra Teachers Math membership, where we have everything you need: your warm-ups, your PowerPoints, your instructional videos, your practice problems, projects, tests, quizzes, everything you need to make this time of year and the whole rest of the year a lot easier. Check out more information in the description box below about the membership. And until next time, bye for now.